This video will demonstrate how to configure a Rugged-3 G2 to use the RS485 communication protocol. Connect the Rugged-3's RS485 pins to the appropriate corresponding pins on the application system's RS485 interface. Connect the Rugged-3 via USB and open the evaluation tool. Please note that the unit shown has both a USB and RS485 interface. After connecting the unit, open the COM port in the evaluation tool. Click on the Settings tab, followed by the General tab. In the lower right-hand corner, ensure that the correct platform is set. In this case, it will be Rugged-3 G2. In the I/O drop-down menu, select number 5. This configuration will set Serial 1 as the RS485 port and Serial 0 and Serial 2 as GPS ports. Click Apply. You will see at the bottom that a reset is required. Before resetting, set the baud rate of Serial port 1. To do this, go to the Datasets tab. Click on DID Flash Config. We will set the Serial 1 baud rate to 921/600. Now, reset the unit. Disconnect USB and connect to the RS485 interface. Ensure that the evaluation tool baud rate matches the baud of Serial 1, which was previously configured. Open the COM port, and you will see the dev info populated. If you go to the INS tab, you can verify that the communication is working properly.